Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna showcase you how to basically fix your desktop volume once it's recorded to put an increase whatever the audio is too low. Basically you want to record yourself like I did now, and but your desktop is just too low, and you want to increase the desktop once you stop talking. And to achieve that, it's pretty simple. You want to open Kdenlive, open any video you want, insert inside. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna upload a repeat video that I made off screen. This one. Let Kdenlive upload the video. So in this case, you can see just cut the first part. Ok, questo è Rebit, esempio per video, audio veramente basso, microfono alto. As you can hear, basically Rebit's audio, it's very low, but your microphone voice, it's correct. What you want to do is go to the effects of Kdenlive and search for compressor expander. My bad, it's like OBS. Then you just click on the audio that you want to improve the audio. In this case, since my voice reaches minus 10, minus 15 of decibels, it's already correct. But now we want to fix the audio of the desktop. So in this case, let's say attacks is the how much you want the increase to happen immediately, basically. Decays is how much this decide to go away. So for example, there are kind of 1 second in which the audio stays low. Softney, I never know about it. Gain is how much you want to increase the audio in general. I would say to not touch this if your audio of the microphone is already okay. Initial audio is to tell him when the low audio begins. Basically, if just see your video, disable the effect. My bad, sorry. As you can see, it kind of starts at minus 42. In this case, put initial volume to minus 42. The case, keep it on half second. I always put 0.6 is a good step in my opinion. And once you play the game, once you play the video, you should hear that Rebit desktop volume should increase gradually, but when I speak, it will go down because now there's my voice kicking in. Ok, questo è Rebit, esempio per video, audio veramente basso, microfono alto. As you see, Rebit's audio starts slow because of course the registration was low, but then it increases after 0.6 seconds because I say in that margin of time increase, and I say that the volume starts at minus 42 because Rebit's audio starts at minus 42 kind. With that said, but we don't want to export everything. In case you edit it with Kdenlive, yes. But what we gonna do is remove the video now. Then go to export and don't do MP4 but MP3 or ACI3, whatever file you prefer. I prefer MP4 in general, but let's go for ACI3. And then save the file whatever you want, audio exported as fixed. Now export.
Esportazione avviata. Esportazione finita.
Okay. Now what we're gonna do is to exit Kdenlive. I don't save the project, it's not necessary. Then I'll repick the video that I decided to use, this one. But this time I'm not opening with Kdenlive or whatever, I open with Avidemux. Because Avidemux is a beast in speed for video adjusting. Audio veramente pasto, microfono alto. Okay, questo è Rebit. Okay, as you can hear, the audio was low. But now what we're gonna do is select the track. You can also save the track to the OBS with Avidemux. And we do, instead of deleting this one, we add a new track. And we go to take what we exported before. So videos, Kdenlive, videos. It's not a video, but whatever. This one. And just click OK. Ok, questo è Rebit. I cut the audio, right? So it will be a bit upset because I cut the initial part of the video. Ok, questo è Rebit, esempio per video, audio veramente pasto. Ok, questo è Rebit. As you can hear, the audio got immediately adjusted and we didn't have to encode nothing because basically it just took the video we got and then we inserted inside and then just save it as normally. You don't need to convert nothing. It will be super duper fast. Done in a millisecond. Now let's go watch the video again. I changed the file location, my bad, to find the file location just to save and go 0.3. Here. And watch the video. Ok, questo è Rebit, esempio per video, audio veramente pasto, audio. As you could hear in the beginning, the audio was much more improved, while initially was much more low. And that's it. It's quite simple. Kdenlive that effect of Kdenlive is a lifesaver. Basically, in my couple of videos, I did that effect because I screw up my registration. And Avidemux is always a super nice program to have to cut, copy, and get files from the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.